Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Marco Tadros, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Park Dental DLP 3D printer, and that is the So as you can tell, this is a big 3D printer. It's actually really solid, very heavy, and it's well built. What makes this machine special is that this is a DLP 3D printer. What that means is going to be much faster and more accurate than an SLA 3D printer like the Form 1 or the Form 2. One more thing, it is not as mobile as the Form 1 or the Form 2, and if you haven't checked out my last video about the Form 1, Form 2 review, link will be in the description. Check it out if you want. Now, this machine is more of a workhorse for a lab, or if you want to get a guide really quickly. You can print a guide in under about 30 minutes on this machine. So I turn the machine on, and over here you see the temperature. Once it reaches anywhere between 30 to 40, it is good temperature to start printing. We're gonna go ahead and open the protective shield here. What you're gonna see here is this rotating door, and this rotating door has this membrane. And what happens is the membrane will push against the build platform, and it will leave about 100 microns or 50 microns in between, and then the build platform will keep going down and keeps that same micron levels. It will go down by that amount of microns. In that area, the projector shoots down a light onto a sheet right here, and this smiler sheet is in contact with this build platform. In between of them, there's 100 microns layer of liquid resin. And that liquid resin, as soon as the light of the projector shoots it, it cures it into the shape that it's supposed to be in. For example, this arch right here, let's say, it is printed, let's say, in this format. So what that means is this is made out of probably, I don't know, it depends on how many microns, and the z-axis is every layer, but probably maybe 800 to 1,000 layers. And it took about 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Try to print this in the Form 1 or in the Form 2, it takes a lot longer. And there is a reason for that, and I'll explain it right now. So every layer, if I print this one arch right here, it will actually take, if I print this one arch right here, it will actually take 6 seconds or 8 seconds per layer. Now, if I print this arch here, 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 and here, it will also take the same amount of time. And the reason is the DLP printer, or DLP 3D printer, will cure across the whole build area at the same time. It doesn't use laser spotlight to shoot and cure the surface. It cures the whole surface at once, which makes it so much faster. So for example, you can print maybe 10 or 12 of these over here in 2.5 hours. At the same time, you can just print one in 2.5 hours. Try to do that on an SLA 3D printer and it will take you forever. So that's really what makes this printer special. It's also 4 times the price of the Form 1 and the Form 2 printers. So that's the only downside. It's FDA approved material, and it's very smooth, very nice. I don't know if you can see the layers here, but I'll make another video of the models, of course.